Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper heart. So this is a very easy way of making a paper heart and it is useful too. So you can make it with simple materials and only requires one square sheet of paper. So before we start, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So let's get started. So first for this activity, we need a square sheet of paper. I'm taking a red square sheet of paper. You guys can take any color you'd like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold it diagonally on both the sides. Like this. So I'm folding it diagonally on one side and opening it and folding it on the opposite side as well. Like this. Now we have to open the paper like this and we have to fold one side of the paper to the middle line. Now we have to take the opposite side and we have to overlap it and we have to fold it on top of the first part. Like this. So now we're supposed to fold this paper in half and next we're supposed to unfold it. Now we're supposed to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line. Like this. Next I'm just going to turn the paper to the opposite side and folding it a little bit on the top like this. And I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side as well. Now I'm also folding it on the sides as well. Like this. So after we complete this, we have to turn the heart to the opposite side and we'll get a perfect heart. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!